I spent $11 per 10. The most budget we'll ever see.
Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop.
I married him.
Oh, okay. Are these 8s or 10s? Wow. I like the way you made it. A lot of work, but turned out good. I like what she said. I married him.
What's that?
That's your wife?
Yeah.
Nice, man. Yeah, you already know.
I got a close up for you.
So, what's your name, man? What's in here?
Ted White. I've got 6-car DDX 10s on a cab 45 at 0.67. I've got the most budget doors you will ever see in your life. I spent $11 per 10.
Oh,
I've got
that's
more.
good.
I've got more in the PRV horns than I do all 16 10s.
Sweet, man.
I've got a Sound Digital 1600.1 on the 10s and a 400.2 on the horns.
Nice.
I've got a 135 amp hour proto bank with a Mechman 390.
What vehicle?
It's a Ford F250.
And is this like a ported box?
Honestly, I have no idea. I just built a ported spec box. This was, I've had about 4 systems in here.
Okay.
And I've used the same shell for every one of them. And I figured it was a lot more solid keeping all the wood layers.
Yeah, it is. Yeah.
And so I just built a ported spec box. It's right at 2 cubes per sub, tuned at about 30 hertz.
So about 12 cubes net?
Yeah, roughly 12 cubes.
Have you tried mounting these regular?
Honestly, this just started playing at about 10 o'clock yesterday afternoon.
Okay.
We did all this in 48 hours.
There you go. All right.
I'm key to procrastination.
Yeah. You got the job done now?
Yes,
I like
sir.
your little, I guess you would call it like a center console amp staging.
Yeah.
Right? Nice, man.
Honestly, if you undo the power wires, you can take all this out. There's nothing in here but subs. So it's pre-wired. It's got LEDs, voltmeter.
What brand are these speakers since they're so cheap?
eBay special. It's called 5-core.
5-core, okay.
It was roughly $188 for all
Nice.
16 of them.
Sweet, man. All right.
And unfortunately, I don't have a knob for the doors, so you're going to get all the beans.
That's all good. You're doing what you did.
Honestly, it's surprising just to be some 10s.
Yes, sir.
I'm trying to find something that has a little bit better basic line in it. Honestly, I have no clue what's on any.
That's all right. So these are 1,000 watts RMS?
Yes. They're dual 2s.
Dual 2s. All right. I like the box layout design. It's a little different because it's still ported, but being able to not have your subs right behind your seat, you don't have to worry about the cones hitting the seat.
That was the biggest thing because I had 2 ZV5 24s in here before.
24 inch?
Yeah, I had 2 24s.
Oh, wow.
And I always had a problem with this seat hitting that sub at full excursion. I kept burning the coil out in it.
Yes, sir. So you went from 2 24s to 6 10s.
I went from 2 24s to 2 18s. Okay. And then I went to the 6 10s.
You changed it up a lot for fun.
It's always something different, you know?
Yeah, man. Ooh, heavy doors, too.
Yeah, they're pretty heavy.
Nice work.
2 layers of plywood and a bunch of wood like
Oh, yeah.
Sweet.
Yeah, man.
Don't push me like the shit. Wise words, beat the weakness, rap game is loaded. Down, down, when it comes, open let's listen. See it is coming, with diamonds when it glistens. Don't pay attention, swallow up a ghost. Feels catch me if I go side to side. Different baby. Enemies, see me bleed. Activate my hate. Penetrate. Empty out my clip. Inside today. Demons all corrupted. Trust out the shit. Never stop till I bust it.
I'm gonna play one more for you.
All right.
Sit back and relax. We're about to get rustified.
Waiting for me to fuck up. You'll regret the day when I find another girl, yeah. Don't just sweat and bleed. Don't just sweat.
But don't push me. Revenge is like the streets. Sure, that's the deep pushing. Picture paragraphs unloaded. Wise words being quoted. Don't pay attention.
Good, man. For a couple tens, nice job.
Honestly, it's surprising just to be some 10s.
Yes, sir.
Sorry, I know the doors are so loud.
It's all right.
I don't have a dual knob turn
It's
them
all
down.
good, man. It works really well. Use discount code JacobVile when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description.